Hey guys, welcome to a series of videos that I'm going to do about this upcoming storm for Sunday through Tuesday. Without further ado, let's hop to it. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment down for more, give a like, notification bells on. See, heard something weird. Anyway, let's hop to it. So this is a GFS model. What I'm going to show you is a timeline of what's going on to Tuesday and Wednesday. This is the southern slider that's going to pass us tonight, which will bring in lots of cold air and winds. And then what I'll do is set us up for this upcoming storm. Now, this model has the rain snow line up north a little bit. So we might get a brief period of rain until after that apparent low transfers into a coastal low and brings this back down the rain snow line. Now this one has a brief break in between the transition period, but then it'll start up a little bit and then exit on early Wednesday morning. Now the CMC model. Wait, hold on. I messed up. So the CMC model has this storm at a perfect spot. So after that southern slider and that cold air, this one has this the rain snow line right where I want it to be. Like right to us. So we might get a mix. I don't know. But right away that coastal low is going to form. But then look at the isobars. It's still windy, but it really snows east of us. So I don't know what to say about this snowstorm, but it really gets like windy and snowy. I don't know about blizzard conditions or blizzard-like conditions for this model, so I'm not sure. But it gets out of here. Same thing on Wednesday. So yeah, and then the icon model shows. Ooh, dang it! I keep messing up. Sorry, I'm like still getting used to this website. That's neat. I say. So, the icon model has the main snow line a little more up like the GFS, but then it goes back down. And then that's all it has, so. And that coastal low is right there. So, yeah. And then the forecast shows that this will start late morning on Sunday. Periods of snow, 1 to 3 inches. 1 to 3 again on Monday, so we might have no school again. Monday night, same thing. But Tuesday morning, that's when it ends. I am sure that you guys know what's going on now for me. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. Comment down below for more content. And yeah, click that notification bell for more, so you'll be notified when I do a video. See ya!